Computer hardware plays a critical role in the functioning of a computer system, and its uses can vary depending on the type of hardware component. Here are some key uses of common computer hardware. 1. Central Processing Unit, CPU. 1. Use. The CPU is the brain of the computer. 1. It performs the majority of the processing inside a computer. 1. It executes instructions, performs calculations, and manages data flow within the system. 1. Essentially, it handles all the logic and operations that power software applications. 2. Random Access Memory, RAM. 1. Use. RAM is temporary storage that holds data and instructions that the CPU needs while performing tasks. 1. It provides fast access to data for the processor, improving the speed of applications. 1. When you run a program or open a file, the data is loaded into RAM for quick retrieval. 3. Hard drive/SSD, storage. 1. Use. Hard drives, HDD, and solid-state drives, SSD, are used for long-term data storage. 1. They store operating systems, applications, files, and other data that are needed for later use. 1. SSDs are faster than HDDs but can be more expensive for the same amount of storage. 4. Motherboard. 1. Use. The motherboard is the main circuit board that houses and connects all components of the computer, such as the CPU, RAM, storage devices, and other peripherals. 1. It facilitates communication between all the hardware components. 5. Graphics Processing Unit, GPU. 1. Use. The GPU handles rendering images, videos, and animations. 1. It is essential for tasks like gaming, video editing, 3D rendering, and machine learning. 1. GPUs can offload tasks from the CPU, especially when dealing with complex visual data. 6. Power Supply Unit, PSU. 1. Use. The PSU converts electrical power from an outlet into usable power for the computer. 1. It supplies the necessary power to components like the motherboard, CPU, storage devices, and peripherals. 7. Optical drives, CD/DVD/Blu-ray. 1. Use. Optical drives are used to read and write data to optical discs, CDs, DVDs, Blu-rays. 1. While less common now due to digital distribution, optical drives are still used for media playback, software installation, and data storage. 8. Input devices, keyboard, mouse, touchpad, etc. 1. Use. Input devices are used to interact with the computer. 1. Keyboards allow users to type commands, while mice and touchpads are used for pointing, selecting, and navigating through graphical interfaces. 9. Output devices, monitor, printer, speakers. 1. Use. Output devices display or produce data generated by the computer. 1. Monitors show visual content, printers produce physical copies of documents, and speakers output sound for multimedia applications. 10. Network Interface Card, NIC. 1. Use. NICs allow the computer to connect to a network, either via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. 1. This is essential for tasks like internet browsing, data transfer, and communication with other devices. 11. Cooling system, fans, heat sinks, liquid cooling. 1. Use. Cooling systems are essential to regulate the temperature of internal components, especially the CPU and GPU. 1. They prevent overheating and ensure the components operate efficiently. 12. External devices, USB drives, external hard drives, etc. 1. Use. External storage devices are used for additional storage, backup, and transferring data between computers. 1. USB drives are portable and commonly used for small file transfers, while external hard drives offer large storage capacities. 13. Sound card. 1. Use. A sound card processes audio signals and allows the computer to produce sound through speakers or headphones. 1. It is especially useful in high-quality audio production and gaming. Each hardware component works together to create a functional and efficient computer system that can handle a wide range of tasks, from basic computing to complex processing and multimedia production.